In your opinion, what is the thing that athletes do too much of that hinders their progress in their sport and in their training?
The thing that athletes do too much of would be to not be in tune with their own body and look at a program that might have worked for someone else and try to emulate that person when they might have different biomechanics, they might have different neurophysiology, they might have different nutritional needs, and so therefore they're seeing someone become successful, whether it's through Instagram or Facebook. Oh, that person ate keto, so I'm going to eat keto, or that person had this particular workout program, so I'm going to do that. But it doesn't fit their diet or lifestyle, and that's where people make big mistakes. You have to find what works for you as an individual through your bio individuality, and whether it's nutrition, whether it's biomechanical exercises that work for you, that help you grow and become better, whether it's stronger, faster, whatever sport you're trying to train for, you have to make sure that what you're doing works for you as a person. And I think the big thing is, especially with social media nowadays, people are seeing all these different diets and these different workout programs, and they see one person or one picture of someone, and they want to all of a sudden emulate that. And I think the mistake is that not every diet, not every workout program is for everybody.